In today's video, I will teach you how to make presentations in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva, and in the search bar, type in the keyword presentation. There are thousands of templates to choose from, but you can filter out designs that you like by enabling the different filter options on the sidebar. Canva also lets you choose the size of the presentation. If you would like to make a 16 by 9 presentation, you can simply select 16 by 9 presentation under the category filter. You can also select 4 by 3 presentation, mobile first presentation, and talking presentation. You can also start from scratch and create your own design by clicking on the Create Design button at the upper right side of the screen and type in the keyword presentation for the recommended size and resolution. But once you have found your desired template, you can now go ahead and open it and customize it. To add another page to your design, simply click on the Add Page button and the design template will automatically apply onto the next page. But if you would like to use a different design onto the next page, simply click on the page that you would like to change and select the new design on the Templates tab. To add different elements, simply open the Elements tab and drag the illustrations, graphics, and frames onto your canvas. To add text, simply drag the text presets from the Text tab, and to upload your own photo, audio, or video, simply open the Uploads tab to upload your own media. Canva also lets you collaborate with your presentation. Simply click on the plus icon right next to your profile icon, type in the email of your colleague, and customize the restrictions before sending the invitation. You can also present your work directly from Canva. To do this, simply click on the Present button and select the type of presentation that you would like to have, then click Present. And once you're satisfied with the design, you can now save it to your computer, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.